All right, everyone. I want us to look at this trade together. This volatility 51x, and I'm on 1 minute time frame. I want us to look at how the trend of this market is going. I want us to look at it together, how the trend is going. So, I want to show us something. This is a live trade. It's a live trade. So, let me explain something. While the market was around this zone, we took this sell in our VIP channel. All right, on M5 we saw bullish, bearish engulfing candle. We saw this candle, this bearish candle. We saw this candle. It gave the break of structure. So what we need to do, once you see a bullish candle or a bearish candle, you wait for that candle to be retested. Don't enter immediately. Don't enter immediately. You wait for that candle. Either it will retest the other block or it will retest the candle before that's bullish. So that was why we took the trade from here and we sold down to this level until all the liquidity around this place were taken out. So right now, on the 1 minute, now we want to see the reversal, because since the liquidity has been taken, we expect this market to come back to this particular zone, this zone here, this zone, because there is already a break of structure here too after the change of character. There's a strong bearish candle here, break of structure here. So right now we expect this market to return to the other block that initiated this particular sell. This is the origin to the market is coming in. So now we want to catch this buy. So that's why I said we'll switch to 1 minute to see how do we go in. So now you need to be careful, because on the 1 minute it's a very choppy market. So many things happen there. So look at immediately the market got here. So many people wanted to buy here. It took them out at this point. At this point, there were a lot of trade, all of buyers here. So that's why you don't buy at equal lows. It's called liquidity. It's called liquidity. These zones where you see different candles gathering there, that zone is called liquidity zone. You don't buy anything there, because market will definitely, it might see when it got there, it pulled up as he was buying. So people were entering more positions. And what did he do? It took them out. Then the same thing, another low here, another equal low was right here. It took this one out as well. As he was going up to, it came down. Now this is what I want to show you. So how do you now take the entry that will give you a perfect buy here? So this is where you need to be very careful, or else as you're entering is coming down. So what you need to do is that for you to know that this market will buy, you need a change of character. And how do you identify a change of character? It has to be a candle with momentum. We are doing this on a live trade, so I want us to see it together. A candle with momentum, it must close with full body candle. See, full body candle. It closed above the recent low, and this gave us change of character. Then the market came to test this particular zone. So if you are buying, you bought from this zone, your stop loss should be right here. Your stop loss should be right here, below here. So now the market won't give us break of structure. It's still coming back again to finalize their entries, because the big players, this was where they entered into this buy position. So you see small candles, small candles. So this way, so they came back to this zone to come and enter their last positions before they go. So you need to be careful. So if you took your entry from here, you put your stop loss below it, not on this line, because they might come and look at what they did here. It came here, it took out all the stop losses here. So what you need to do, don't put your stop loss, put it a little bit below. Maybe it's somewhere around here, maybe like 20 pips away or 30. See, let's measure it from here. If you enter from here, your pips can just be like 10 pips or so that you can protect the self and your trade, and don't make it too tight so that you don't lose out, because if you put it there it might take you out. See the market now. So now the market came to test here. This is where they enter the remaining positions. So now see this, see the market now, see this bullish engulfing candle, see this momentum candle now. So we expect that this candle right now, as it's moving up, is going to keep giving us break of structure to the upside. You're going to be experiencing break of structure like this, something like this, until it hit this point. Then the market will come back to this zone and continue the sell, because the direction of the market is actually sell. So I want you to look at this very well, see what is happening. We're on this trade. I took this trade on this day, 4th of September. I took this trade, and right now the trade is in massive profit. Yes, it's a massive profit. I enter with $10. I just enter with a small account, and right now it's so right now from the entry point to that zone we should make about $12. So the $10 account should be multiplied to almost, if not $40 or $50. That $10 account should have made, that's 1 to 4 ratio, 1 to 4 ratio. So that's what we're expecting from here. So guys, I want to take time to practice this. So from this zone right now, we're expecting 1 to 3 ratio. So if you are risking $100, you're making about $400 here. If you enter one positions, you make $400. If you enter 100 with $100, you should be making, if you are risking rather $100, you make 400. So at least 4 times the money you invested here. If you enter, if you are risking $1,000, you should make $4,000 right here. Remember, you have to risk wisely. All right, to your best, guys. Keep practicing, keep winning, and then build confidence. Do you want me to take you on personal class mentorship? And I recommend a book for you. It's called the Forex Simplified. It's step-to-step book that shows you on how you can understand the market structure, basics of Forex. You need to know it before you start trading. Don't start trading without you reading that book. All right, it's available. Send me a DM or comment in the section, then I'll send you the link to get it. All right, to your best, guys. Keep winning.